Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut application Windows version offline. So if you use this Capcut regularly and you don't have internet connection, you can use this application offline by tap on File Explorer on your PC or laptop. This is Windows 11, my operating system, and tap on you a Drive C. And after that you can tap click double click the users, a data, this one app data. If you cannot see this folder, because by default this folder is hidden, you can click on view, click show, and click hidden items. So this app data folder will reveal. You can double click and then double click local and try to search CapCut. This one you can click again, and this is the user data. So you can control A and right click, show more options, and add to archive. So you can copy this archive, tap OK first because it will take your time because it's more than 1 GB. After that, copy this user data to any folder and try to open CapCut. So after that, you can pass again this user data into your CapCut folder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.